Hey guys! It's another box from Lauren. Another super accessory, extreme, what is it you call it, Lauren? Extreme accessory super kit outside the box. This is the November kit. And okay, I'm just gonna lie and say that I've already opened it and gone through it for the sake of saving time. Yeah, we're just gonna go with that and not with the real reason we all understand, because I was too excited and just pretty much jumped right in and opened everything. But yeah, we're going with the lie that we're saving time and that you guys now don't have to hear me actually open or attempt to open everything on camera. So here's the inside. I honestly, I thought this was a sticker at first. It was in a separate bag with the paperwork from the order. I thought it was a sticker. But just a little love note. Isn't she sweet? I love Lauren. I love Lauren. And the pretty teal aqua paper. And inside, it's pure stripy goodness. Oh, look at that bow. Look at that bow. It's just, I know there's a lot of people out there. A lot of y'all love the black and white stripes. Just, look, it's a big bow too. I mean, yeah, my nails are horrible, so just ignore them. I'll hide them behind the bow. How pretty is that? Okay, moving on. And don't look at that yet. Then we have this adorable wooden leaf paper clip with a little jewel on the back. Isn't it precious? Okay. Whoops. Keep on cruising. And then we have this. I forget what she calls this, but it's like a 4-in-1 tassel clip. Look, it's the giant jumbo clip. I love these things. But it's... My cat tried to eat it earlier. It has all the little ribbons, and it's hard to do this one-handed, but it moves, so you can, like, you know, use it as a actual clip or a tassel, or I forget. I'll have to add it in when I edit the video. Sorry, Lauren. But there you go. Just, who doesn't love tassel clips, and giant ones at that, right? Okay, so keep on cruising. And then there's the adorable glittery pumpkin clip. Look at this thing, how cute. Is it focusing? Little flowers on top. And I honestly didn't even know that these, because I thought the other side was the front until I turned it around. It's all the flowers. There's a little bow. Look at that little bow. Even the backside looks good. We all love the backside to look good, don't we? I'm a goober. Don't listen to me. So yeah, here's the little paper clip. And we have, quit peeking, just a little transparent pumpkin tab, or a page marker kind of thing you put up towards the top. Yeah, so your page markers. Page is marked. I'll get it. I'm tired. I swear I could sleep for 2 days and probably sleep another day. So I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just completely exhausted. So if I don't make sense, forgive me. And then we have the real page marker, the full page marker with the pumpkin. Look at those flowers. I swear this has to be, like, so far, like, my top pick. I love all the kits, but this one's gotta be my favorite so far. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. Petey. Stop, Bubba. Go lay down. Out. I have somebody who's honing in, wanting attention. Go lay down. Go. Can you at least pretend to listen to me while everybody's watching? Go. Go lay down. Well, now they're all going to take your side. What kind of face is that? That's such a pitiful face. Please go lay down while I finish this. Everybody's waiting to see. Thank you, Bubba. Thank you, Bubba. Okay, anyway. Here's the full page marker, bookmark, whatever you want to call it. And then the back, of course. Black and white stripes with leaves. More holiday fall goodness. And there is the dashboard. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. With a bigger image, or the more complete image, of the flowers and the pumpkin. And then the back of this one is just striped. Aren't those? And I don't, they're like perfect black and white stripes. It's, so there's that. And then, of course, her little jar of glitter that she always puts a little thing of glitter and sequins. Little cork top. But the cover, let me get it right here. The full pumpkin, complete pumpkin. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. How cute is that? Petey. Bubba, do you mind? Sorry guys, Petey got thirsty. So, anyway, this is the front cover. This beautiful stripes, the grateful, thankful, and blessed, and the complete pumpkin pattern. And then the inside. Now he's trying to drink really quietly. It's kind of cute. The inside is all the pattern. And if I remember right, this is a pattern that she created herself, which is pretty amazing. So, high five, Lauren. And then the back cover. Did I get that right? Actually, I don't know. I think this is either the inside of the back or the outside. I guess it could go either way, but since her label, her brand is on the corner down there, I'm guessing this is the outside. And since it would be upside down if it was the other way, because the pumpkin up there would be upside down. So, yeah. I said I was tired. I'm sorry, guys. So this is the back cover. And then on the inside, it's just black and white stripes. Or is this the outside? And this the inside to match the other inside? I really don't know, and I am really just zonked and wiped out, so I can't even talk. So, whichever way you want to do it, you could do it either way, I imagine. But I'm thinking, you know what? Let's test it out. Let's take my pretty, ignore my dirty kitchen if it gets caught in the camera. Let's take off my wonderful football cover. Can I do this one-handed? Probably not. sometimes they fight with me, and it's not the... I have the same problem no matter which thing I do, so you know, whatever, right? Whoops, turn the camera on you. Sorry about that. So let's trying to do it one-handed doesn't help. There it goes. But once you can get some of them popped in and you've had a complete night's sleep, hold still. Sorry guys. Camera's gonna fall. Okay. I think because this one's so fat, this planner is so fat, that it doesn't always like to cooperate. I still have my Halloween dashboard in there. Go. And now shall we fight with the other side? So there you go. Beautiful pumpkin planner. With a beautiful light glare. There you go. Yeah, either way. There you go. And if you're sad that you missed out on all this pumpkin-y striped goodness, her Christmas or December kit is up for pre-sale right now, or pre-sale. So you can go order it now. I think it's $25.99. I think. Oh well, I'll have it pop up here on the screen somewhere. The actual true price. And if there's anything else that you want in the shop, I have a coupon code for you guys that she gave me because she's awesome, for 30% off of $15 or more. It doesn't include the kit, but any of the other covers, you know, like a football cover or the wrap covers that she has that are awesome, or any other clips that she has in the shop. I'm still amazed at this little guy. So yeah, go check her out. She's amazing. Don't miss out on the... It is just gonna be that kind of video because I didn't turn my phone off. So no making fun of me and my tones, my ringtones, my notifications. Anyway, go check her out. Go get the December kit that's on pre-sale and use the coupon code for anything else that you find in the shop that you must have. There's a lot in there. Her Christmas covers are out and they are adorable. So yeah, go check her out. Bye guys.